The Rampage is a modern, high-speed precision-guided weapon developed to provide advanced strike capabilities in contested environments where speed, accuracy, and survivability are critical. Designed primarily as an air-to-surface missile, Rampage is launched from fighter aircraft and engineered to engage high-value targets such as enemy air defense systems, radar installations, command centers, and strategic infrastructure. Its development reflects a broader shift in modern military technology toward standoff precision weapons, which allow aircraft to strike targets from a safe distance without entering heavily defended airspace. This capability significantly reduces risk to pilots and aircraft while maintaining high operational effectiveness. The Rampage missile is believed to be derived from artillery rocket technology, combining the high-speed characteristics of ballistic systems with the precision of modern guidance systems. Structurally, it features a sleek, cylindrical body with aerodynamic shaping, allowing it to achieve high velocities and maintain stability during flight. The missile is equipped with control fins and stabilizers that enable it to maneuver effectively during both the mid-course and terminal phases. Its compact yet robust design allows it to be carried by various fighter aircraft without significantly impacting performance, making it a versatile addition to modern air forces. One of the defining features of the Rampage missile is its high-speed capability, which is significantly faster than traditional subsonic cruise missiles. The missile is powered by a solid-fuel rocket motor, enabling rapid acceleration and a steep trajectory that makes interception extremely difficult. Its speed, combined with its flight profile, reduces the time available for enemy air defense systems to detect, track, and engage the missile. This makes Rampage particularly effective against heavily defended targets, where slower weapons might be vulnerable to interception. The guidance system of the Rampage missile is designed to provide high precision and reliability. It is believed to incorporate a combination of inertial navigation systems, INS, and satellite-based guidance, allowing it to follow a pre-programmed trajectory toward its target with high accuracy. In addition, the missile may include advanced terminal guidance mechanisms, enabling it to refine its targeting during the final phase of flight. This ensures that the missile can strike its intended target with minimal deviation, even under challenging conditions such as electronic interference or adverse weather. The integration of these guidance technologies allows Rampage to achieve a level of precision that rivals more complex cruise missile systems. The warhead of the Rampage missile is designed for maximum effectiveness against hardened and high-value targets. Typically equipped with a high explosive or penetrating warhead, the missile can destroy reinforced structures such as bunkers, air defense installations, and command facilities. The combination of high speed and precision ensures that the warhead is delivered with significant kinetic energy, enhancing its destructive capability upon impact. This makes Rampage particularly suitable for missions requiring the neutralization of critical infrastructure or strategic assets. Operationally, the Rampage missile offers a high degree of flexibility and adaptability. It can be launched from various types of fighter aircraft, allowing it to be integrated into different operational scenarios. The missile's standoff range enables aircraft to remain outside the effective range of enemy air defenses while still delivering precise strikes. This capability is especially important in modern warfare, where advanced air defense systems pose significant challenges to traditional strike missions. By enabling long-range engagement, Rampage enhances the survivability of both the aircraft and the mission. The strategic importance of the Rampage missile lies in its ability to provide rapid, precise, and hard-to-intercept strike capability. Its high-speed profile and advanced guidance systems make it a valuable tool for neutralizing critical targets in the early stages of a conflict. By targeting enemy air defenses, radar systems, and command infrastructure, Rampage can help create favorable conditions for follow-up operations, including manned airstrikes and other missile attacks. This role as a force multiplier highlights its importance in modern military strategy. From a technological perspective, the Rampage missile represents a convergence of rocket propulsion, precision guidance, and aerodynamic engineering. Its development reflects ongoing advancements in materials science, electronics, and navigation systems, which have enabled the creation of weapons that are both highly effective and relatively compact. The use of solid-fuel propulsion provides simplicity and reliability, while advanced guidance systems ensure accuracy and adaptability. This combination of technologies allows Rampage to operate effectively in complex and contested environments. For viewers of Driven Vision, The Rampage missile offers a compelling example of how modern missile systems are designed to meet the challenges of contemporary warfare. By examining its design, propulsion system, guidance mechanisms, and operational role, audiences can gain a deeper understanding of the principles behind high-speed precision weapons. The missile also illustrates the importance of integrating multiple technologies to achieve a balance between speed, accuracy, and survivability. In the broader context of global military developments, the Rampage missile reflects a growing emphasis on standoff precision strike capabilities. As air defense systems become more advanced, the ability to engage targets from a distance without exposing aircraft to risk becomes increasingly important. Weapons like Rampage address this challenge by combining long-range capability with high speed and precision, ensuring that they remain effective even in heavily defended environments. This trend is likely to continue as militaries around the world invest in technologies that enhance both offensive and defensive capabilities. In conclusion, the Rampage missile is a high-speed, precision-guided air-to-surface weapon that combines solid fuel propulsion, advanced guidance systems, and aerodynamic efficiency to deliver effective strikes against high-value targets. Its ability to operate at high speeds and from standoff distances makes it a powerful tool in modern warfare, enhancing both operational effectiveness and survivability. As part of the evolving landscape of missile technology, Rampage represents a significant step forward in the development of weapons that are fast, accurate, and adaptable, making it an ideal subject for detailed analysis on driven vision.